why we're here at White Sands National Monument. We're not at the beach, but we are at the beach.
We're in New Mexico. The beach could not be further away.
I think it's about 1,200 miles to the nearest beach, but this is sand everywhere for miles on end. It's a national park or national monument, and the sand is like super fine and white, and you can come and play on it and sled down it and do whatever you want.
You can do as you will. It's definitely worth a visit. Woo! So what do you think of White Sands?
Very cool. Out of breath from climbing the dunes, but it's very neat. This white sand in the middle of absolutely nowhere desert. North of Las Cruces by 45 minutes or an hour, same with El Paso, Texas. Whoa. And I just whacked her with a sled. You can get a sled and go sledding. It's okay, it's not that great.
Very small.
But this is actually gypsum, which is a mineral which is up in the mountains that surround, and apparently with the rain and snowfall it sucks the minerals out. They come down, they store in a lake, and then they evaporate. The water evaporates and it leaves behind the sand.
It's very cool.
And there's, I don't know how big this is, but it's huge.
It is way cool. If you have an extra couple of hours, do not drive by. Stop.
No, stop
Look at
here.
it. Have some fun.
Check it out. There are these beetles crawling around on the floor making tracks, and one is coming right at us, so we're gonna go.
Yeah, we are, because we don't know if he bites.
He's making a...